This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ram Almogue. Beautiful second floor condo unit in a gated community. Split floor plan, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms equipped with new impact/hurricane windows, screened and patio plus storage. Updated kitchen cabinets and newer appliances including glass top stove and dishwasher. Ceramic tile floors throughout, walk-in closet, central air conditioner, washer/dryer in the unit. Water, sewer, trash removal, internet and pest control included in the rent. Community offers beautiful grounds, tropical landscape and lakes, clubhouse, fitness room, 2 swimming pool, hot tub, tennis courts, basketball and barbecue/picnic area and car wash areas. For more information, review the details below.